Without teachers, life would have no class, is a very popular quote. And I'm sure all of us have our favorite teachers, and students here have your favorite teachers who you adore in our academy as well. Karthik?
Of course, all of us teachers and me especially, you have been really, really, really special, Shankarji. You have deeply inspired us and shown us the power of positivity and dedication. Here's a small surprise for you from all the teachers at SMD.
Shankar Mahadevan. For many people, this name is a legend. For many, a superlative composer singer. For many, a beautiful human being and a great artist. This dedication by all the teachers of our academy is our way of expressing our love and respect to the legend Shankar Mahadevan ji.
गणपति
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
വെച്ച വെച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ കൂടി എന്റെ സ്വന്തമായി ആശ കൊണ്ടു കൂടു കൂട്ടിന ഇഷ്ടം കൂടി എന്നും വെച്ച വെച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ കൂടി
ಪರಪಂಚನಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರಪಂಚನಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಪರಪಂಚನಿ ನನ್ನ ಪರಪಂಚನಿ देखो इन्हें ओसन की बूंदे पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर.
സന്തന തെன்றலை ജന്നൽകൾ തന്നിത്തൽ ന്യായമാ ന്യായമാ என்ன சொல்ல போகிறாய் என்ன சொல்ல போகிறாய்
महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं महोङ्काररूपं शिवं शिवं महासूर्यचन्द्रादिनेत्रं पवित्रं महागाढतिमिरान्धकं सौर्यगात्रम्. ओङ्कारं रखवार करूं मेरी जान करूं
मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजड़ो लगे साधका संवेदना संवादे सहवेदना जपदाना मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा धातर गिरदा धातर गिरदा गिरदा कताक दिन तनक दिन गिरदा 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 ता 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 गिरदा दुम ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ तेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
बराबर नदी कर मोरो ओरे उर पाग पाते पूरा गए दिल को सुने कनावा ओडी मरंजे दक 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 ओ उड़ दिक 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 ओ चल दो सोल
मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है कौन है वो अनजानी वो है कोई कलियां कोई किरण या है कोई कहानी उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं क्या उसमें कह दूं प्रिटी वुमन देखो देखो ना प्रिटी वुमन तुम भी कहो ना प्रिटी वुमन
ओ दिल का मामला है दिल पर उड़ना जोर है इस दिल पर खलबली है दिल के अंदर ओ मस्त मस्त कलंदर मस्त 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 कलंदर अरे मस्त 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 कलंदर भम भम भोले शंखम मोगले ढम ढम ढोले चल रे गिंदिले तत्किलद गिंजरुवै संदడి రేగని పొత్తులెరుగని పరువై ముందుకు సాగని విలాసంగా శివనంద లహరి మహాగంగా ప్రవాహంగా మారి విశాలాక్షి సమితంగా చేరి వరలిచ్చే కాశీపురి కళ్యాణ కచేరి పాడామెడి కచేరి క్యారాലും പോരുന്നോടി പോരുമ്പോ പൂക്കൊമ്പത്താടുന്നോടി അമ്പാട്ടെ താമ്രാട്ടി കുഞ്ഞാങ്കിളി വേലേ വേലേ വെറുതെ തരുമോ നിരനാഴി നിറയെ പൊന്ന് ഓ കല്യാണ കച്ചേരി പാടാമെടി കച്ചേരി ക്യാരാലും പോരുന്നോടി
हे सरासरी बच्ची हिड़क बड़ी तंग बड़ दूर रच्ची निशाना धना धना कुलचे जोरे हमेशा धड़ेल धड़ेल मट्टू कले बड़ी कल कल मेरे पे बिना ये भला बुरा सोचे नींदू कुड़ू साठ पड़ू लक लक परदेसी का है नवाई लाई परदेसी का एक पलक पलक परदेसी का सबका सोने लगती देसी का
और सुनो बोल से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी 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 हिंदुस्तानी
आँख जो टूटी मेरी आँख जो खुली मेरी होश जो आए मुझे मैंने देखा मैंने जाना वो जो कभी आए तो नजरों की जाए तो दिल में समाए तो जा भी छुपाए और दिल में रहे तो बदल हाल ना तो कोई अरमान ना कोई तमन्ना ना कोई सपना अब जो मेरे दिन और अब जो मेरी रातें उनमें सिर्फ आंसू उनमें सिर्फ दर्द की रंज की बातें और फरियादें मेरा अब कोई नहीं ना और कोई वो प्यार की यादें ना और कोई वो प्यार की यादें ना और कोई वो प्यार की यादें
सारी सारी सा ये सारे सने धनी धनी सारी सारी सा
Hi everyone. Hello Shankar sir. We were super excited to perform this beautiful melody in front of you. I hope you like this. You're not only through your music, but with humble personality, you are a big inspiration to all of us. I would like to thank Sridhar sir for accepting my request to arrange this beautiful surprise for Shankar sir. Many thanks to Karthik, technical team, and all the teachers who gave their precious time from their busy schedule and to bring this concept into the reality. Thank you so much, my full SMA family. Thanks a lot.
वेल कहते हैं कि ढूंढने पे तो भगवान भी मिलते हैं, तो मुझे तो मेरे भगवान मिल गए. थैंक यू सो मच शंकर जी for giving us so many memorable songs. There are so many more songs which couldn't be a part of this medley, but they are all in our hearts. We had Aindrila, Aishwarya, Ajay, Ajit, Anagha Pathak, Ankita, Anurag, Apurva, Archana, Aarti, Arundhati, Asha, Bhavani, Brinda, Debashri, Deepa, Gaurav, Kirtana, Manisha, Mohit, Onkar, Parvati, Prachi, Praveen, Ragini, Rajiv, Rashmi E, Rashmi Joshi, Renuka, Rutuja, and Romi joining in for this special surprise and tribute to you, Shankar.
And a fantastic job done by Karthik, Albin, and Jose and Deepak. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God. From a singer, the journey of a composer, honored to have you amongst us. So humble, grounded, and so accessible. Padma Shri Shankar Mahadevan, your reactions, please, Shankar.
You know, how do you expect me to react in words to what I just experienced, Rashmi and Karthik? You know, it's beyond words. I mean, this is pure love. This is pure love and nothing else, you know. This is, uh, I don't know what I'm feeling because I'm just feeling that it is such a perfect journey that all of us have taken together. And this is so correct. What we have done is something that we all have to be proud of. And hearing this particular piece of tribute that they have sung today in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, all these languages, I very well know, first of all, the whole effort that's gone behind this, how much thought process would have gone, how much time to put these songs together, coordinate from remote locations, all these teachers singing in perfect coordination, perfect harmony. Some parts are there, one song flowing into the other seamlessly. I have no words, really. Thank you so much. All I can say is thank you for being part of this Shankar Mahadevan Academy. And, this is a feeling of extreme emotion. I'm really humbled, and I thank each and every one of you for being in our family. And, and thinking of all this, once again, all those people who have thought of this, my pranams to you, and of course lots of love to you, Sridhar, for making this happen. What can I say? I mean, this is like looking after traveling a journey. When you look back at the road that you have traveled, this is like seeing all those little milestones that you have created. So I really feel that it's been a good body of work. But when I look forward, there's a long road ahead with lots and lots of stuff still coming in. And without your support, this can't happen. So please be there with me every time.
But then the benchmark you have created, Shankarji, is something that is really, really, really enviable. So thank you so much for all the work. And like Karthik said, not all the songs could be put into this. The repertoire is even bigger if we go to do it. So you can expect more such tributes to you.